Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a popular topic among Minecraft enthusiasts, how to install Minecraft Forge. Whether you're new to modding or looking to enhance your gameplay, this guide will walk you through the steps to get Minecraft Forge up and running on your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Downloading Minecraft Forge. The first step is to download Minecraft Forge. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Minecraft Forge website. Look for the download section and select the version of Forge that matches your Minecraft installation. Click on the recommended installer and save the file to your computer. Step 2. Installing Minecraft Forge. Once the download is complete, locate the Forge installer file. Double-click on it to run the installer. A new window will pop up. Make sure Install Client is selected and click on OK to begin the installation process. Forge will automatically download and set up the necessary files for Minecraft modding. Step 3. Launching Minecraft with Forge. After the installation completes successfully, launch the Minecraft launcher. In the bottom left corner, click on the drop-down menu next to the play button. You should now see a new profile named Forge. Select this profile and click play to start Minecraft with Forge installed. Step 4. Verifying installation. Once Minecraft loads, you can verify that Forge is installed correctly. On the Minecraft main menu, you should see a new section called Mods. This confirms that Forge has been successfully integrated into your Minecraft setup. Step 5. Adding mods. To add mods, simply download the mods you want from trusted sources. Place the downloaded mods into the mods folder located in your Minecraft directory. Restart Minecraft with the Forge profile selected, and your mods should now be active in the game. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've learned how to install Minecraft Forge and enhance your Minecraft experience with mods. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Minecraft tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy modding!